how to turn 1000 USDT into 1 million USDT. Welcome back everyone to another video. So today's day number 6 of the challenge. We are going to be running of this challenge on this channel, 1000x Bitcoin challenge. So we're going to turn 1000 USDT into 1 million USDT. Let's just dive right into it, guys. As you see, yesterday we had some crazy volatility spikes and breakdowns in Bitcoin price. So we went from 130,000 to 106,000, then we all the way back down, and then all the way back up to almost biggest weekly close candle, um, close to all-time high. But then the latest hours we dropped all the way back down, even lower. So that's very Bitcoin things. And also we had Ethereum that had some nice pullbacks, um, where it was 1 week ago. So it's a very good opportunity to buy. Of course, all of these guys, not financial advice, and never should be treated as financial advice. Please do your own research if you're going to do something like this or invest into crypto. And also we see here Solana that again had a similar chart and a similar breakdown. So guys, if you want to follow me on this channel, I will leave a link in the description how you can copy this bot, copy trade my bot and all the settings I have. So you don't do just nothing, you just put your investment. If you can put 1000. If you want, you can put 100 or $50, and you can still make 1000x of that. So I'll be showing you everything here on the channel, okay? Now, let's just dive right into some news in the market. So we had that Meta Planet has acquired an additional 1004 Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin race continues to heat up. If you haven't followed me on X, go and do that, please. It's TZ Bitcoin. And we had Bitcoin with its highest weekly close in history. So if you see here what I mean, Bitcoin had 6 weekly high close in a row. So let's see if we're going to have another green candle in a weekly chart, and maybe we break an all-time high or a small retracement. Let's see. President of El Salvador uh, posted albeit Salvador Bitcoin reserve, and he saw that they are $357 million in profit. Huge respect for this guy. And here is a screenshot. And this guy took some I would say, like the world risk on Bitcoin, but he took like calculated risk and he went all in, and that's the result. So huge respect for this one. Colin Stocks Crypto, and this is the guy that I took the global M2 chart, which I will show you in a bit. Uh, the way Bitcoin cuts the most people offside is just keep heading up. Everyone expects it to correct, so it probably won't, or not much. Bitcoin already spent like 5 months bleeding, it's rebounding with strength. New all-time highs before month is over, maybe as soon as next week. Let's see, guys. At least that's what Bitcoin Global M2 price predicts. So here's a chart that took from Colin Stock Crypto. So if we go like this, we see that an all-time high is coming soon. Then consolidation, pullback, break even, consolidation, break even, consolidation. So let's see how this will continue. So that's a chart that I cooked from Collins, the crypto. Go check his Twitter and his YouTube channel is very good. And in some worldwide news, Japan maybe is going to a recession. Japan's 40-year bond yield just hit its highest level in over 20 years. Japan's prime minister has called the situation worse than this in Greece. All as Japan's GDP is contracting again. So interesting stuff there, and who knows what will happen? We will see. So let's just go and track our daily uh, equity and tracker. I also leave a link in the description with this chart. Sorry, with this chart and also with this spreadsheet, so you can keep track of everything. Okay, so we have total equity at 1078. Profit today we are a bit low, I believe. Minus. Okay, no extra margin. It's very good to have extra margin. So our liquidation price drops and we make sure we never get liquidated. I will also leave two YouTube videos in the description that you can guys go and watch about the fully breakdown on leverage if you're a beginner. So yeah, go check them out. But as you have seen, due to the volatility we have yesterday, our pre-profit made just $6 with $1,000. That's very, very good, okay? So that would be 10 times more with 10K, 100 times more with 100K, and 1,000 times more with 1 million. So you can be making 5,000 a day, of course, with 1 million. That's why we're going to go there. So we continue with the leverage, same settings, nothing changed. So you can just copy my settings and just do nothing. Here's the chart. So guys, if you like this type of content, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, because it helps channel grow a lot. And of course, you can copy this trading bot and just sit back and see the portfolio going up. But of course, do your own research first, because none of this is financial advice. I will see you tomorrow on the next one.